Genuine traffic jam. Well, I had to go do the people watching thing today. Walk around the airport and watch people. I'd tell you what I'm watching for, but I'm too cool for that. Really? Oh, we're busy talking on the phone. That's why we couldn't do it the first time. Yeah. Anyway, we were out walking around, watching people watching us. And I noticed that they're doing a bunch of work out here. I'm just gonna pull over here. I don't know what they're doing, but they got enough vehicles out there. And this looks like they're working on the levee here. I don't know. But you can see we're pumping. We're pumping from here and going over there with it. It's gotten quite a bit bigger. They had apparently 4 boils going on that they've been working on. Now the way they're, yeah, let me re-explain in case you don't know or didn't watch the video before. They get these boils, and that's what it is the water's 8 foot higher over here than over here. So the water pressure is coming under the levee and blowing up over here, coming up through the ground. There's a low spot right there that it's doing it. So what they're doing is they're coming out with a big sheet of rubber or plastic. They're laying it over where the water's coming out. And then they're dumping sand and dirt on top of it. And that equalizes the pressure of the water coming up with the river pressure, so it stops the leaking. And I'll bet you this is one right here. And same for here. Now, when I talked to the guy, I said, how's it working? He says, it's working very, very effectively. So that will be the plan to continue on. So basically what they can do is take one of them dump trailers, fill it up, bring it up here to the side of the road and dump it onto the plastic. Now the sinkholes, they're using chunks of concrete from the old railroads, using that for fill, and then putting sand and dirt in it on top of that to fill it up. Because you got to put something in the cavity or it'll keep getting bigger. You would think it would still keep getting bigger, but I don't know. Don't ask me. The weather's in about the mid-60s right now. But at least it's not raining. And also today they had a helicopter out flying the levees. But I've been seeing these trucks running up and down this road all day long, so the unvetted reporter had to come out and take a gander. That's another one. Okay, that's a drill. There's another drill. What they're doing is they're drilling down, tapping. They're drilling down until they hit water. They're tapping it and pumping it back out into the river. Trying to keep the groundwater pressure down. This wind is friggin' treacherous. There's another spot. They haven't got to it yet, but it's not bad enough for them to worry about. They got bigger worries than that. Uh-oh, they're staging pipe up here. Oh, they got a long ways to go on the levee yet. That river's not even close. Not even close to topping it. River City. There's supposed to be a boat down here. Staged. No stopping, standing, or parking. Runway protection zone. I think this drilling thing is a hell of an idea. Now where they're pumping this water to get it over out to the river, I'm not really sure. I see a hose coming out of it. It's running down. Oh, it goes to the fire hydrant. Well, that must be water in for cooling as they drill. Same thing here. That looks like that's going to be another one. And another one. That's where they're going with all this dirt. Pre-staged sandbags. More pre-staged. No. That's groundwater coming up. Some of it's from the rain. Not much though.